These are the elevators at a certain location, which I know everybody knows where it is. But out of respect for the staff, they don't want the location to be shared, so you guys know the drill. But this is an interesting elevator cab configuration. These are Series 1 fixtures. Here's your phone. It's got amazing classic leveling. Anyways, I think I'm gonna switch to a different car on the second floor. There's a desk down there, but the person I talked to gave me special permission to do this. I want to get the single slide elevator car. If you guys happen to know the location, if you don't see it in the title, do not post it in the comments below. I didn't realize that the other floors don't work. I'm not sure if this elevator car works or not. Oh, there's a separate call button. This one has a separate call button. I didn't know that. That's the same exact elevator cab. I'm not gonna bother writing that, but here's this one right here. Here's the one that I wanted. All right. Take a quick ride on this one. We're gonna get back down in the lobby and end the video. Like I said, the staff here are very nice to let me film, but they don't want me to linger around this too much. So we're gonna go back down to one and end the video there. And like I said, I know everyone knows the location of this building. But to respect their wishes of the hotel staff, please, and I mean please, do not, I don't repeat, do not post where this is in the comments below if you know where it is. There's a view out there. Look up in the ceiling. Hi. Series 1 fixtures. 88 phone. We're gonna go ahead and get off this thing. Yep. Yep. Thanks for saving it for me. Yeah, I know I did. All right. Thank you so much. All right. There it goes, and that's it.